Hello and welcome back for another AB Tutor video. Today I'm going to talk about the privacy policy effect. This was originally added because we are aware that AB Tutor is a great tool for remote support as well as for classroom management, and it was getting used more and more by IT departments to manage the computers around their site. This meant that it was being installed on staff computers as well as student computers, but the staff didn't like the idea that the IT department would be able to see what they were doing at any time. So, a privacy policy can reassure staff members either by showing them when they are being watched or by requiring them to give permission before anyone can view what their computer is being used for. You can choose which mode the policy runs in using this tick box. On the Finish tab, the policy should be set as a protected policy, meaning that it can only be removed by an admin and should also not be set to be disableable. This will ensure that if another staff member does connect to their computer for any reason, they will still be fully protected by the policy. This is especially useful if the policy is applied to their users rather than to specific computers, because it means they will be fully protected by the privacy policy even if they're using a normal classroom computer. Once the policy is applied to a client, an AB Tutor logo will appear in their system tray. This reassures the user that the policy is working. If the policy is set to allow connections, then if anyone watches their computer, an eye will appear over the icon to alert them. If the policy is set to require permission to watch, the icon will be displayed with a red No symbol over it. In this case, if a console user tries to watch the client, firstly the console user will be asked if they want to request access or to cancel the watch. If they then request access, a pop-up will appear on the client asking for permission. There is a 1-minute timeout for this permission. If the client user doesn't accept it in that time, the watch attempt will abort. If the client user does give permission, the watch session will take place as normal. Please note that when a privacy policy which requires permission to watch is applied to a computer, it will also block the thumbnail in the Actions panel, the list of running applications, the snapshot action, and the screen capture action. This is to ensure that there aren't ways to sidestep the privacy of the client user. We expect that in most cases, the privacy effect will be used with the box ticked, that is, requiring the end user's permission to view their computer. However, the option to just warn the user without blocking access has been left in for those users who find it useful. That covers using the privacy policy. It's quite easy to use, but it can be very useful if you have staff members who are worried about being watched. If you have any questions about this or any other AB Tutor feature, please let us know by emailing support@abtutor.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.